Hi, Ricky here. This is LeetCode question number 819. Most common word. This is easy question. Let's get into it. Alright, given a paragraph and a list of banned words, return the most frequent word that is not in a list of banned words. It is guaranteed there is at least one word that isn't banned and that the answer is unique. Words is the list of banned words that are given in a lowercase and free for punctuation. Words is paragraph are not case sensitive. So maybe we can check with the lowercase. The answer is in lowercase. Yeah, I think the lowercase is better. Okay, let's check it example. Input is the paragraph is popular word. The hit ball from fastball after it was hit. Banned list is hit. So let's check. We will not count the hit. 1, 2, 3 hit, and Bob is 1, O is 1, ball is the 2. 1 is the lowercase, another is the uppercase. There's a 1 for 1 after 1, it 1 was 1. So what is the biggest? Yes, that's right. Ball is 2 because that is 1. Okay, let's check it more. There is no meaning. No meaning. Answer is unique and written in lowercase. Part of the main uppercase symbol if it's a font for none. Part of only consists of letters, spaces, while the punctuation symbol, like this. There are no hyphen or hyphen word. This one has no need. Okay. There are two data structure we common used. First is the set and second is the map. Set is only consist of the key, and then map is consist of key and value, the pair. And another is array. What else? Okay. And alright, and then indicate which one is the good. Yes, that's right. We will use the map because, and then we will put key to words and then value, put frequency. Then after make the map, and then we will get most frequency, most frequent words from the map. Okay. What is the different array and set? First of words has only the key value, but it will different the time complexity. In this case, array to take the big O N because we need, if we find one key, we need to iterate from the 0 index to n-1. But set is able to direct access, so set is O1. So if we reduce the time complexity, we need to use. I recommend you to use set. Okay. Let's start coding. Okay, first I will make map using collections default dix, and then initial value is 0, and then another is I will get rid of punctuation. And paragraph I will use replace. Character with which one? Null space or white space? Yes, we will use white space. Okay, I will tell you the region later after finished coding. and then I will split the paragraph to word. For I will use split function paragraph and split, and then this one. If we did not add argument here, then it automatically split with white space. Then now paragraph the change from string to array of words. 4 words in paragraph, and I will change word to lowercase. Then if word in ban, I will skip. And then I will add the counter map words count 1. The reason why it works is that we use the default dict, and then if we input integer as argument, this one default value is 0. So first the method find the keys in this words, but if it did not exist, it initialized the value to 0. So in this case, if there are no exist, map and words value has 1. And I will return most frequent. I will use the max from map, and then I will use the lambda key is map get. Let's check. Oh, there are some typo. Okay, let's submit. Ta-da! Okay, let's check the time complexity. Before that, I will show you the reason why it will be white space. Okay, in this case test case is just this one. But if this one we change it, then this one will be changed like this, right? But if it's the white space, it will change this one. That means these 3 words combine to 1. So result is not the same we expected. So that is reason to split the word did not combine. Did it make sense? Yup. And then okay, let's check the time and time complexity. In this case, time complexity is, let's say, start from bottom. It's better. Okay, let m is length of words. Count of words. Count of words, and n is count of vent words. At this time, okay, this one constant, this one is constant. Yes, that's right, because this one has the limit, so it is constant. And the split it take the m, right? And then also paragraph also it take the m, and this one constant. Oh, this one it take m, right? So finally the time complexity is m multiplied m. How about space complexity? Space complexity is the same as less than m, because this one is distinct. distinct n, right? Because there are some multiplication to words. If we multiply the words, but it combined to 1 because we check the frequency. Does it make sense? Yeah. Okay, in this time, is there any way to make the better, to reduce the time complexity? Yes, that's right. If we use the set, we can use m multiply n to n. How? Yes, that's right. If we change the band, this one is the list. That is the reason why it take to multiply n. But if we make the 1, it will be n. How? We will use set. So in this case, band is a set band. If you change the list to set, there is no need to extra time complexity because it will search directly. So m to m multiply n. Okay, let's check. Oh, much faster, right? Okay, thank you.